So in this video, I'm just gonna give you guys some raw footage on Mont Blanc Aiguille de Midi cable car. Yeah, it's just some raw footage. This is us going up. It was pretty scary, as you could hear. Like a bunch of people were like screaming, especially when like the cable cart was shaking from the wind. But yeah, it's just pretty nerve-wracking. We're just in this small little cable car going up 3,000 plus feet, as you guys can see. It took around like 20 minutes, but at the end it was definitely worth it. We got to see all the mountains on Mont Blanc, the Italian Swiss Alps, the French Alps, and it was just breathtaking. So yeah, it was around like 60, 70 minutes. Definitely worth it, and I recommend you guys try. So enjoy the footage.
That's probably this. Je veux dire, si ils voulaient faire autre chose, si on fait Sam 2, autre chose, Sam 2, bonheur, moi, faire des top contacts. Ah ouais, carrément, je faut annuler. Genre, il y a bien. Non, mais là, c'est
This is where the cable car dropped us off to the peak of the summit, and yeah, from here you guys can see all the cool mountains. Yeah, as you can see, really beautiful. And then after that, we just went down. Here's another area where you guys can just stop and get off in this middle area. It's not at the peak of the summit, but you guys can get out, play with the snow and whatnot. It's a more natural area. So there you guys have it.